Okay, guys, so today in a 1 hour meeting, I will explain about the workbook on number 17, odd numbers and on the right side. Okay, I don't want to discuss all because if I do all question number 17, it will be too much. I will just pick some of the question that is different and quite important to be taught. Okay, so D, F, and L. D, F, L, yeah. So for question B, number 17, odd right, okay, odd on the right side, I will explain to you about how it will become and how do you solve this kind of equations. Okay, so this algebraic equation can be done by changing the mixed fraction into improper fraction first. So this one, right? So you have to change this, have to change this, and we can go further. Okay, so this is 5x, subtract 7 over 4 equals 6 over 1. I can just write over 1 because
Number 16, right?
Sorry?
Number 16, right?
No, 17.
Oh.
Plus 3 times 1 plus 2, 5 over 3x. Put x on top is okay, minus 5 over 6. So everything is still in the different position and it's still in the random part. So what thing you have to do, what step you have to do next? Try to move the value of variables to the left side. So this will be the equal sign. You put everything to the left side. So 5x over 1 minus 5x over 3. Why it is minus? Because you have to put from the right side to the left side to change the hand side. And then 6 over 1 minus 5 over 6. And then you move the negative 7 over 4 to the right side, become plus 7 over 4. Right? And then what you can do next, you can simplify the fraction. You can make the denominator equal. So this is 1, this is 3. So 3 times 3, right? So this will be 15x over 3 minus 5x. And how about this? 164. I have one number, 12, right? To change into 12, it's more simple than to change into 24. You usually think that this will be 24, but it is too much for you to understand and too much of the number later on. So find the smallest or the lowest common multiple. So times 12 times 2, right? Becomes 12 times 3. So everything should be in 12, right? 12 times 6 is 72, subtract 10 plus 21. So the answer will be 10x over 3 equals to, using calculator is okay, 72 minus 10 plus 21, 83 over 12. So how do you calculate the x? Do the cross multiplication. But if you don't want to do the cross multiplication, it's okay, but I advise you to do the cross multiplication. So 12 times 10x equals 83 times 3, right? And then this is 120x equals to 83 times 3. Okay, just use the calculator. 83 times 3 is 249. And the x would be 249 over 120. Why? Because the 120 on the left side is multiplication, and on the other side will be division. Okay, so you do this. 83 over 40. And what you can do next, change into a mixed fraction, 2, 3 over 40. The hard part will always be on the fractional part. Okay, this will be the fraction. After you do the cross multiplication, the difficulties is lower. Okay. Right. So next question, number 17F. Everything is already in fraction. So we have 6, 8, and 24. So the easiest way to change is to change to 24. So 4 times, right? Because 6 times 4 is 24, and this will be 3 times. Okay. And then after that, copy and continue, and everything is on 24 equals 2x minus 7 over 24, right? Then 4 times 3x is 12x minus 6x, 16, I mean, not 6x. And then minus, right? Minus 3 times 2x minus 6x minus 3 times 3 is negative 9, right? And then what you can do next, do the collection of the terms. collect the like terms. This will be the like terms, guys. 12x minus 6x. What is it? 6x. Negative 16 minus 9, negative 25. This will be 2x minus 7. And again, we deal with the same fraction here. If we deal with the same fraction, you just multiply everything by 24, or you can just ignore the radical, the denominator part. So why it is crossed out? Because I multiply everything by 24. So it produces you the linear expressions, linear equations, I mean, right? So put the 2x to the left side and then the 25 to the right side. So 4x will equals to 18. Get it? And then after you get x, 4x equals 18, x equals 18, divide by 4. Or you can simplify further, you will get 9 over 2 or 4.5. Okay, that's it. So that's how easy it is when you follow all the rules. Again, I won't tell this is easy. No, this is hard, but if you follow all the rules, you can do it. Okay, just try to follow all the rules. Now, one more for number 17. H. Wait. B, D, F, L. Okay, if you have any question, you may ask me. And don't hesitate to ask because this is not easy for you, especially for the first timer. Okay, so much. I think all of you are the first timer about this. And let me know whenever you have any problem. We have the bracket here. So what you do? Rainbow rule. Half x times 2x is x. Half times negative half is 1 over 4. Right? And then equals to, I change the color, the green one. 1 over 3 times 3x is x itself. 1 over 3 times negative 1 over 4 is negative 1 over 12. You multiply everything. And then use the purple one. 1 over 4 times 4x is x. 1 over 4 times 3 is negative 3 over 4, right? Because you multiply the fraction with 3 over 1. Both of them supposed to be multiplied. And then you put the unknowns to the left side, x minus x.
Mister, itu nomor 1 di halaman berapa?
Lihat dulu aja, nggak apa-apa. You don't have to think about the page. Lihat aja pertanyaannya, ya.
Ya.
Okay, Regan. So not important about the page and about the number. Okay, Regan.
Oke.
Okay, just follow this, yeah. So this is negative 1 over 12, and then negative 3 over 4. And you put the negative 1 over 4 to the right side becomes plus 1 over 4. And what next? You have to make the denominator equal. Times 3, times 3, times 3, times 3. So x minus x is annihilated. 0 minus x is negative x. Equals to over 12, right? Everything is always in, is already in a same denominator. So negative 1 minus 9 and then plus 3. So negative x equals to negative, what is it, 7 over 12. So if we have the negative on the left side, you have to change by x equals positive 7 over 12. You multiply everything by negative 1. You can do that. That's the answer. Okay, that's for L. So 17L is done. Again. So this will be odd, even. Odd left, yeah, but odd, okay, here. Number 19.
Then a little.
Yes?
Can you slow?
Sorry, Sylviana?
Can you slow down a little?
Oh, slow down. Okay, sorry, Sylviana. Yes. So I will make it slower. And if you have any question about this part, let me know. Yeah. Sorry, it's too fast maybe. Yeah, I didn't realize that. So for number 19, Okay, so if x equals 5 times 2x minus 3, we have the bracket here, and we also have the bracket here equals to 0. Find the value of 7x plus 2. Yeah, so what to do? You have to find the value of x in the first priority. Okay, so we use this equation to find the x, and then after you get the x, you can put it in 7x plus 2. Okay, so 5 times 2x is 10x. 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. And negative 3 times x is, okay, negative 3, we have negative here, pay attention, negative 3x. And negative 3 times negative 2 is positive. Remember, minus times minus is plus, right? And then collect the like terms. Which is the like term? Which are the like terms here? 10x minus 3x, 7x. And then negative 15 plus 6, negative 9 equals 0. Okay, so 7x equals to, put the negative 9 to the right side, becomes 9. And again here, this is the trick. Actually, you can find the value of x, right? 9 over 7. But the question is not asking you for x. The question is asking you for 7x plus 2. What is the value of 7x plus 2? We already have 7x. What is 7x? 9, right? You just use this. You can use this. But if you cannot, okay, just follow the rules. So you just can change the 7x by 9, 11. But again, this is about the tricks. But if you follow the old way, the long way, if you get x equals 9 over 7, you still can find the same answer. Right, 7x plus 2. What is x? 9 over 7. 7 times 9 over 7 plus 2, right? So you can cross the 7 and 9 plus 2 equals 11 will be the same. Okay. So if you have any question, ask me. Any questions so far? By the way, is it okay, Silviana? Is it too fast? Is it still too fast?
Wait, what? Where did you get plus 2?
9 plus 2. This is 9, Vincent.
No. I mean, like 7x plus 2. Where did you get the number 2?
Oh, okay. 7x is already 9. So I don't have to change the x here, right?
Yeah, but
7x.
how much plus 2?
Oh, questions. It's already in the question. Find the value of 7x plus 2, right? Udah ada di soalnya. Begini. Dia tanyanya 7x plus 2, bukan 7x aja. Gitu. Get it, Vincent?
Oh, okay.
Kalau plus 3 ya udah ganti. 2-nya jadi 3. Gitu. Bisa ya. So, Silviana, is it too fast? Is it still too fast? Sorry. I need to ask.
No.
No, okay. Thanks. Yes, tadi ada yang nanya lagi siapa? Cheryl ya.
How do you get 9 from 7?
Oh, how do I get 9? Here, the 9 is put it here, right? It becomes positive 9. And to find the value of 7x is 9 over 7. Or if you want to find the 7x itself, you can just look 7x equals 9 as it is already given in here. Move here, right? Understand, Cheryl?
Yeah.
Okay, continue ya. Again, odd right. Okay, number 21. Okay, so I want to copy this because I'm too lazy. I will make it a bit bigger and I will change everything. Find the value of x when y equals 2. Y equals 2. Y equals 2. Ini yang tadi multiply ya, sih yang ini. Nah, ya, multiply ya. See, and then P equals 5. Capek ya lihatnya, nggak enak. Nah, hapus aja deh. Jadi 5. And then Q equals 6. Right, diganti semuanya. Semuanya ada. X nggak ada, ya udah, let it be. Q equals 6. Okay, so X minus 2, rewrite one more time. Equals X times 2 is 2X, right? Over negative 1. Okay, and then ini kan fraction nih. Aduh, gimana nih caranya? Ya udah, what you do cross multiplication. If you want to do the cross multiplication, make sure that the both sides are in a fraction form. Okay, you put over 1. Kalau nggak ada ya over 1 itu udah paling gampang. That's the easiest way to make both part as a fraction. You multiply this, you multiply this. This is cross multiplication. Okay, or cross multiply. So negative 1 times x minus 2 equals to 2x times 1. Times 1 can be ignored because anything times 1 is the number itself. Unless negative, kalau negatif, you harus ganti sign-nya semuanya. Negative x plus 2, right? Rainbow, as usual, 2x. And put every unknowns, every variables to the left side. Minus x minus 2x, right, equals negative 2. Negative 3x equals negative 2. Okay, I rewrite one more time biar bisa lihat ya. So x will equals to negative 2 over negative 3. The negative divided by negative, positive. Okay, that's it. Find the value of x. Okay, done. We are done for this number. Please ask whenever you have any question. If you're not asking, I will continue. If you're not ask me to slow down, I won't slow down. Thanks, Silviana, for reminding me. So I need the feedback as well because I'm a human and I can do the error in calculation and error in speed. Okay, I think too fast, so I also talk too fast. Ya, nah kita coba lihat formulanya. So I will adapt so that it's not too fast. Given the formula v square equals u square plus 2s. What is this formula? Don't think about it. This is the formula that you will learn on the science in high school, in senior high, or AS, I think. V square equals u square, I read that one more time, plus 2 times a times s. Find the value of v when u equals 15, right? And then a equals 9.81, so 2 let it be. 9.81, and you change all the values, and s 14.45. This is actually the scientific formula, okay? And you change everything by the number that is already given. Okay, use your calculator because you have to round your to 3 significant figures. Okay. So, tinggal di substitute 15 square 225. Ini everything is multiplied ya. 2 times 9.81 times 14.45. So 283.509. And if you add all the numbers, the answer will 508.509. Point ya, ini bukan thousand ya. Ingat ini Western. So, how do you calculate the V? Kalau dikasih V square, cari V-nya ya ingat square root. Oke, agak jelek makanya ya bilang. Oke, square root. Because we are asked to find the number, not the square. Ini panjang jawabannya, jadi 22.6 aja. Soalnya dia minta 3 significant figures. Harusnya 22.550144112. 3 significant figures kan dia stop di sini. So 22.6, right? That is how you do number 23. Any question? No question? Okay. Continue. Okay, I think for number 25, it's also the same. 26 is also the same. And 27, let's try. Yeah. Wow, ini ribet. Ada 2 pertanyaan, 2 questions. Yeah. I just want to change this bottom part on the right side biar lebih enak. Kalau nggak repot. Oke, gini. Ya. Okay. Now, P equals, right? So P, I tulis dulu A equals, sorry kok P equals, A equals, I rewrite one more time. PRT over 100. PRT means P times R times T. That's how you have to understand. Find A, so A is unknown. When P equals 5,000, you put the P as 5,000. P again 5,000. R5, T3, right? Here. Oke, itu jadi biar lebih enak lihatnya. P juga sama. Over 100. Piece of cake. Ya, gampang kok ini. You can cross the 100 by 5,000. Sisa satu zeronya. So 5,000 plus 250 times 3, 750. Yeah. So the answer will be 5,750. Done. Yeah, you just switch all the numbers. Nah, yang ini yang ribet nih. Find P when A equals 6,500. I rewrite one more time of the formula. Jadi formulanya sama, nggak beda.
Mister,
Yes?
never mind lah.
Yakin? Are you sure? Kalau nggak yakin, nanya loh.
Yes, never mind.
So A equals 6,500, rewrite. I mean, substitute. P unknown ya, ditanya find P. Yaudah, taruh P-nya nggak tahu. P, nggak tahu. R, 5. Waduh. T12/3. Kita bikin jadi improper fraction. Jadi 5/3 ya. Jadi ini jadi 1/2/3 becomes 5/3. Over 100. My goodness. Oke, coba bikin lagi. So 6,500 equals P plus, nah ini kan P times 25/300. Benar nggak? Ini ya, over 3 over 100 gitu kan harusnya ya. Oke, kita pelan-pelan ya, slower, not slower, much more steps biar lebih ngerti. Okay, because 5 times 5/3 is 25/3, right? And then over 100, slow but surely. Maka tadi I sengaja bikin lepas gini. P plus P times 25/3 divided by 100 means times 1/100, right? Okay, ingat ya, divide by 100 means times 1/100. And you can cross this, becomes 4. So 6,500 equals P plus P times 1/12, right? Nah, atau kita bisa ganti 1/12 P gitu. Okay, I will make it, I will decrease the font. Oke, jadinya berapa nih guys? 6,500 equals, ini kan 1/1, 1 plus 1/12 berarti gini guys. What did I do? Oke. Mess up. Bentar. Kepencet, nah udah. So equals 12/12 P, ya kan 1P plus 1/12 P. Agak lambat ya, tapi jadi ngerti semua. 13/12 P. Okay, so how do you calculate the P? Pindahin aja ya. 13/12 P jadinya kan 6,500. Berarti P equals 6,500 times 12/13. Lah, kok bisa? Soalnya, if you divide, or if you move this multiplication, you will get divide, right? divide by 13 over 12. So if it is divided by 13 over 12, it is multiplying by 12 over 13. Ini 500. Jadi Pi-nya jawabannya 6000. Ini cuman kayak bolak-balik rumus ya. Yang susah B pasti, soalnya yang A gampang. Yang A itu cari A-nya, langsung dapat A equals. Kalau ini, find P. P-nya ada di dua tempat, guys. Tuh, ada di sini sama sini, itu yang bikin males. Ya. So you have to combine and solve. Oke, copy lagi. Now 29. Nggak usah. 30. Oke, saya kasih yang bakal biasa dikeluarin. Nah, 37, refang. Kayaknya sih gampang nih, gampang. Kayaknya ya. Let's try. So we deal with the word problem now. Okay, refang is 4x years old. Oke, taruh di atas saja ya, biar lebih enak. Refang is 4x years old. And his brother is half his age. So brother, Rui and brother, half of Refang. So it equals to 2x, right? Keep the idea about this, half of it. Okay. Next. Find the sum of the age of two base in simple form at present age. So part 1, sum equals 4x plus 2x. Okay. Next lagi. In 8 years time. Jadi kalau in 8 years time berarti plus 8 ya. Jadi Ruifeng udah jadinya 4x plus 8. Ini 2x plus 8 ya dong. Berarti 4x plus 8 tambah plus 2x plus 8. And, baru simplify, sorry, I lupa simplify. Ini jadi 6x ya, sorry guys. Ini jadi 6x plus 16. Gitu dong. Ya. Gimana? Any question so far? No question? Oke, number 37 is done. Oke, nice. Ini gampang ya, karena word problemnya masih nomor 1. The first word problem. 39. Oke, 39 right. Oke, 39 ya. Solve this equation. Ini nggak terlalu susah guys, pelan-pelan aja. Yang B, tulis ulang ya. Boleh nggak langsung? Nggak mau tulis ulang, tapi kita langsung pindahin. Jadinya plus 5 jadi, minus 5 jadi plus 5. Selesai, hampir selesai. Ya, 3. And x less than 3 by 6. So x is less than half. Right? Pelan-pelan, sorry, I lupa. Terlalu cepat. 6-nya pindahin ke sini jadi divide. 3 over 6 jadi ini. You ingat gak? I pernah ngajarin kan? If you change the sign, if you multiply with or divide with the negative, you will have to change the inequality part. But ini nggak ada kayak negatifnya. Jadi biarin aja sama terus. Oke, part D. Ini gampang ya, simple ini ya. Oke, 3, 5. Oh, udah dipindahin lagi di satu part. Udah semua di satu sisi. One hand side. Less than equals to 12. So x is less than equals to 12 divided by 3. So x is less than equal to 4. Done. Okay, for inequality part is simple.
Okay.
Ini gampang ya, kalau nggak ngerti tanya aja pokoknya. Tanya sampai ngerti. Because you belajar bukan buat nonton, tapi buat ngerti ya. Ini jangan nonton ngajar gitu. I also not a performer. I'm a teacher. Ada 41, kok susah banget. Nah, lihat ya. baca soal, harus berkali-kali nih bacanya. Because this is in English and some of you not too good in English. Okay, the school pocket money fund collected total of 4,385 this year. This fund is set up to help needy students yang butuh. They can buy their textbook and other school's necessity. All the funds collected will be used to fund 32 students. Okay, so find the maximum amount of money each student will get. Jadi amount of money each student will get berapa? Ini soalnya kelihatannya susah ya, banyak banget tuh, udah 4 baris. Ngapain baca banyak-banyak gitu. Tapi kita tahu amount of money each student will get will equals to the total amount and it is shared equally 32 students. Right? Jadi sebenarnya money each atau money each student get equals to, harusnya kan equals. Gampang aja begini, guys. Divide by 32, but dia mintanya setting up an inequality. An inequality, the maximum money will get. Jadi money has to be less than, ya, or equal to. Nggak boleh more than. Kenapa? Kalau more ya jadi harusnya lebih dong. Dia harus kurang dari segini, ya, atau equal. It has to be less than or equal to. And to the nearest $5. Oke, simple kalau itu. 4385 over 32. You have the tools. You have calculator. Right? Hitung. Divide by 32. Yeah, the answer will be 137.03125. Whoa, what is this? Again, to the nearest 5. Is it the nearest 5? No. So the money will be ada 137.03125 ada di kirinya. It's on the left and it is boleh. Tapi dia maunya nearest 5. Berarti dia harus di mana? 135, guys. Itu yang paling dekat, ya. So the answer will be 135 because this is the maximum multiple of 5. Ya, jadi jawabannya $135. Each student will get. Banyak ya, lumayan. Oke. Gimana? Any question? No question? Oke, lanjut ya. Right ya. Mana sih tadi? Ah, ini. Advanced question. Oh, out ya. Nah, ini dia. Ini yang square-square nggak perlu, udah bilang ke kelas lain juga nggak perlu. Nah, ini dia number 45 nih, word problems lagi. So the sum of two numbers is 84. Okay, the difference between half of the first number and 1/3 of the second number is 2. Okay. The sum of two numbers is 84. Kalau jumlahnya angka itu ya, the sum kan jumlahnya ya. Oke, jumlahnya gimana? Jumlahnya itu 84. Berarti one number is n, the other number will be berapa? 84 subtract n. Right? Soalnya kalau ditambahin jadi 84 gitu. So if one number is n, the other number is 84 minus n. The difference between half of the first number and 1/3 of the second number is 2. Gimana nih caranya? The difference berarti beda. Between half of the first number, half n, subtract. Subtractnya panjang-panjang ya biar tahu. Difference-nya soalnya. 1/3 of the second number, right, equals 2. Ya, what is the two numbers? Pelan-pelan taruhnya berarti. Oke, so half n subtract 184 times 1 over 3 times 84 berapa? Aduh, malas ya. 28. Terus minus times minus n minus 1 over plus 1 over 3n. Oke. So what next you can do? You bisa langsung lanjutin equals to, right? And then collect the like terms 1 over 2n plus 1 over 3n equals to 2 plus 28. Ya. And then make the denominator equal. Wah, nggak mau tempatnya. Terlalu gede tulisannya. Oke, ini times 2 times 2. 3 plus 2 berarti 5 over 6 ya, karena 6n equals 30. Oke, saya kecilin sedikit biar muat tempatnya. Oke, so n equals 30 divide by 5 over 6 yang tadi ya. So n equals 30. Ini kan times jadi divide. Times 6 over 5. Okay, good. The answer is 36. Okay, that's only one number that you will get. So what is the two numbers? Pertanyaannya two numbers. Berarti 36 and 84 minus 36. Sebenarnya kan gitu. Ya. Jadi 36 and 48. Okay, that is your number. 45. Okay, next question. $47. Whoa, okay, not too hard. Okay, how to do this? Again, the x is already on the left side. This is good news for you. Why? Because you don't have to change any parts of the variables. Cuman yang kita harus fokus ya ini ada 2-nya kali aja tuh, biar dia equal denominator. 2x plus x.
2. I mean 2x out of 4.
Ya, 3x dong.
Huh? Oh yeah, like plus
Iya, sorry, Vincent. You lihat ini dulu ya, bener. 2x jadi plus x gitu kan. Nggak apa-apa. Sorry, I kecepatan juga by the way. And 15 minus 24 is negative 9, right?
Yeah.
Baru nih 3x over 4 less than equal to negative 9. Terus diapain? X less than equal to negative 9 divide by 3 over 4, right? You mau pakai cross multiply boleh, enggak juga ya kayak gini aja caranya. Ini susah kalau cross multiply, ribet karena dia ada inequality. So x less than equal to negative 9 times 4 over 3. Negative 12 done. Right? Because this will be negative 3, right? Negative 3 times 4. Okay. Next, one last number. Whoa, okay. Mixed fraction to improper. Itu udah paling benar. Ya, ingat ya. If you have this, you ganti dulu. Jadi, you nggak usah ubah-ubah soalnya dulu aja, nggak apa-apa. Tapi kalau you udah kepikir cepet, bisa. If you think fast, you multiply this by 2, right? Biar lebih langsung gampang. Biar over 8 semua. 6x subtract x, right? Less than equals to, oke, gue ganti nih, jadinya berapa nih? 3 over 2 plus 15 over 4. Oh, times 4, jadi 4 aja ya. Times 2 times 2. Oke. 5x over 8 more than equal to 21 over 4, right? Langsung ya, 6 plus 15 ya. Boleh ya. So, kita langsung main cepet aja. Oke. Then, x is more than equal to 21 over 4 divide by 5 over 8. Ingat kan, ini kan pindah ke sana jadi divide. Gitu. And then, 21 over 4 times 8 over 5. Gitu. And we are almost done.
Then do we switch it?
Iya. Cross ya. Cross out. Udah. 32 over 5. That's all. Kalau you mau rapi-rapi lagi, 8 2 over 5.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So, Ini yang ribet nih, harus diganti jadi mixed fraction. That's the answer. By the way, thanks Vincent for the response. Yang lain mana nih? Nggak respons kecuali beberapa, baru 3-4 orang yang I notice response. Udah bisa semua, oke. Kalau misalnya yang nggak nanya udah bisa semua nggak apa-apa ya. Tapi kalau you belum bisa terus you nggak nanya, itu I mau ngomong stupid juga nggak enak sih. Tapi ya udah memang stupid sih, itu fact. Udah nggak bisa nggak nanya. Itu udah kayak bener-bener no hope lah ya. Udah nggak bisa tapi nggak nanya loh. Terus nggak info, Ayo ngajarnya kayak gimana, kecepatan atau kelambatan. Tadi Silviana kan udah kasih tahu ya. Terus masih diem-diem aja ya udah. So go ahead with your state of mind. Ya, kita lanjut ya. So if we have this fraction with fraction again, we have 3 fractions, and we have the negative part here. Jadi gimana? Kita nggak bisa equalize. Kita nggak bisa cross multiply. Yuk cross multiply ini jadi nggak adil dong, right? Nggak boleh. You cannot do the cross multiplication. So what you need to do is try to make the denominator equal on one side first. Ini 3 and 5, berarti gimana? Jadiin 15 ya. Yang kiri aja, yang kanan nanti aja. Ini 4/7. Belakangan lah, nggak usah dipikirin. Ini over 15 berarti 5. Ini 3, right? So 10x minus 5 over 15, right? Ya, ini over panjang. Kenapa panjang? Soalnya ini udah 15. Minus 3 times 3 minus 9x minus 3 times negative 4 plus 12. Ya, oke, kita collecting x, right? Soalnya 10x minus 9x, negative 5 plus 12 plus 7 over 15 equals 4/7. And then what you do the cross multiplication. So 7 bracket x plus 7 equals 4 times 15, and then 7x plus 49. Capek ini kerjanya. Padahal gampang soalnya. Tapi kayak ribet banget. Ini 60. Ya. So 7x equals 60 subtract 14 ini langsung 11 gitu ya. 11. 11. Oke. Udah tutup di Indonesia, udah nggak ada. Ada 11/7. Ya udah, beres. Oke. Or you can change 1 4/7. Oke, that's it. Ya, 49 kayak gini. Ini agak-agak gede-gede ya tulisannya, tapi ya udahlah jadi bisa. 51. Kok mirip? Jadi gampang ya? Lebih gampang dari yang biasa. Oke, enak.
Mister, I got to the toilet.
Ya, sure. Boleh ya. Next, kita coba lihat lagi. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times negative 3x is negative 15x. Minus, open the bracket, minus 1 minus 7x, right? Equals 15 minus 30x. Aduh, kok banyak ya? Yaudah nggak apa-apa. Nggak usah pusing dulu. Pokoknya on the left side kita rapi-rapi dulu. 9, right? 10 minus 1 is 9. Negative 15x minus 7x, negative 22x. So again, if you watch this, after this, I will give you time for you to practice. If you don't do the practice, you nggak bakal bisa selamanya. Percaya deh. You kalau nonton math doang nggak bisa. Harus practice. But again, nanti next 30 minutes you bikin homework aja. Ya, yang homework yang belum selesai gitu. And then negative 22x, ini pindahin ya, plus 30x, right? And then 15 stays, 9 pindahin, negative 9, minus 9. So ini 8x, right? Equals to 6. 6/8, ya. 8-nya dibagi. And then divide by 2, 3/4. That's done. Oke. Nanti dikirim kok semuanya. Last one, last number. Oh, nggak ada ya? Hah, serius loh? Ya udah selesai. So now it's finished.